If you are not sure which print setting to choose, this is the part you want to double check because picking the wrong one can raise your printing cost. Let me show you where to find it and a quick breakdown of what each option means. Open your KDP listing and go to the paperback content section. Scroll down to print options and look for ink and paper type. Now, when you click each option, you will see a preview on the right and a short description underneath. Here's a quick breakdown. For black and white with cream paper, it's soft and easy on the eyes, often used for fiction or novels. For black and white with white paper, it's good for workbooks, nonfiction, or anything with charts or clean layouts. For standard color, it's the cheaper color option. It works if your book has some images but not full page designs. Lastly, for premium color, it's best quality for images or illustrations, but it's also the most expensive to print. Click the one that fits your book best and you're done. Choosing the right print option helps you avoid surprises in printing cost and quality. If you're publishing more books and want to save time on covers, interiors, or keyword research, I've linked my go-to tool below that helps speed up the process. The tool I'm referring to is called BookBolt. It is an all-in-one platform for designing your covers and interiors, finding good keywords, and researching profitable niches. They even offer a 3-day free trial with no credit card needed, so you can test everything out first. The research tools are especially helpful. You can see what types of books are actually selling, get keyword ideas, and find underserved niches, which makes your book way more likely to stand out. And inside a BookBolt Studio, you will get drag and drop design tools, pre-made interiors, and tons of fonts and graphics. Everything is royalty free and made for publishing. And if you're planning to make puzzle books like word searches or mazes, this part is super underrated. You can literally generate puzzle pages in one click and customize everything. I've linked it down below so you can check it out. Honestly, BookBolt saves me hours of work, especially when I'm publishing books consistently. So if you're just getting started, it's definitely worth trying.